The future of Oneplus and foldable phone. The Oneplus Open, Oneplus first foldable phone, made waves in 2023 with its premium design, blazing fast charging, and impressive battery life. It was a promising entry into the growing foldable phone market. However, the company did not release an updated model in 2024, leaving fans and industry experts wondering whether a new version will arrive in 2025. Please subscribe my channel. Adding to the uncertainty, recent reports from Chinese news outlet Lifeng have raised speculation about Oppo, Oneplus' sister brand under the BBK Electronics umbrella, possibly exiting the smartphone market. This news has been echoed by tech blogs like 9to5 Google and Android Central. If true, Oppo's exit could signal significant changes for both brands. Oppo's departure would likely impact Oneplus's operations, given their shared resources and technology. But it could also open doors for other major players in the foldable phone market, such as Samsung, Google, Huawei, and Motorola, to expand their reach. These companies have been aggressively innovating in foldable technology, and a competitor's exit might allow them to solidify their dominance. For now, Oneplus fans are left waiting to see how these developments unfold and what the future holds for the brand's foldable ambitions.